Hello, my name is Modest Castico. Yeah, welcome to my channel Castico Mao. And today I'm going to show you the number one way to make money online in this 2019. If you're gonna stay at the end of this video, I show number one recommended way done for you system that will make you to start to generate income immediately once you start it. Yeah, and this business is for anyone who just have a little capital or no capital at all. So let's go. Before we jump to my slide, which I prepare for you guys, if it's your first time to this my channel, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell in order to see my future video. In this channel, we always talk about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. As I told you before, today I'm going to show you a number one way to make money online with the affiliate with a little or no capital. Yeah, and there is no another way than this is the affiliate marketing. Yeah, there is a bunch of information about affiliate marketing, but today I'm going to show you the update one and this one, which is you can go fast and you can make money the fastest you can. Yeah, before clue about affiliate marketing, and you don't know what's affiliate marketing. Yeah, affiliate marketing is the process of earning commission by promoting someone else's product or service. You promoting someone else's product or service by using what we call affiliate link, which you get from the company. And then if someone else come and they click that link and they go ahead and buy the product, earn a commission. So there is some criteria to consider before we choose a affiliate program. Yeah, there is a lot of company nowadays, a big company which has an affiliate program. For example, another one is a Nike, eBay. There is a lot of companies which has a affiliate program, but we have to before we choose that affiliate program. There is a criteria we have to consider in order to choose the best one. So today I'm show you some of them. The number one is a customer certification. Before we choose a fit program, we have to know that this product or this product, this is a fit program has a best excellent customer support because once someone come and buy the product, there is he has to be 100% sure there is a customer support. Once he call, you get back to him or her fast as they can. Once he write email, he get the response faster. So this is the best. This is the number one criteria to consider once we choose a affiliate program. Yeah. Number two criteria is all of these big companies which I told you, which I mentioned here, Amazon, Nike, and so on. What they don't have is something called stick cookie. Stick cookie, the process of continue to be paid as long as that customer continue to buy. So this one is make you to earn passive and recurring income. Yeah, because that customer once it's come again to buy. For example, let's say you choose maybe the Nike they have stick cooking. Yeah, so the customer come and buy the pair of shoes, and after maybe 1 month they come to buy another one. So the company still give you commission for that a single customer. So that is called stick cooking. This criteria is important because you continue to earn commission for the customer you recommended. The next criteria is a remarketing budget. We have to choose the affiliate program which has a remarketing budget. This one is help you to promote the product. You review this maybe through your YouTube or maybe through a blog or maybe a Facebook ad or maybe Instagram. But the company do the same thing to help you to make money. So this is very important criteria, remarketing budget. So you have to choose the affiliate program which has a remarketing budget. So guys, let me introduce the number one affiliate marketing program. This is ClickFunnels. Yeah, ClickFunnels is the number one affiliate marketing program which has all of that criteria I mentioned before. So let's see how to create a full-time income with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels has three main offers. So the number one is the books.com circuit books and the expert circuit books. Also there is a ClickFunnels free trial, my favorite one. Also there is a high tickets webinars. So Let's see each of this one, how it's work, and how can you promote it and to earn commission. Let's start with the books funnel. As I told before, ClickFunnels has all of that criteria I told before. This one also, as I mentioned before, there is things called stick cookie. Yeah, stick cookie in the process of still continue to get commission customer you recommended to the company. So for example, you can promote these books to the people to get them for free, and what they cover only shipments. Once they order their copy for free, and you can earn only $1. But the good thing is, as I told you before, that there is this program stick cookie. ClickFunnels introduces upsell and downsell to this customer. So once this customer go ahead and buy other books and the program, you can earn up to $967. So this is good of ClickFunnels. You just recommend the people grab their free copy, but you can earn this amount of money. Yeah. For free trial commission, you can review this free trial, 14 free trial days for people, and once they decided to use ClickFunnels for the lower levels, they can pay only $97 per month, and you can earn $38.8 per month. And for the upper level, pay $297, but you can 188.8 per month dollars. So this is how you can earn your commission for recommending people for free trial. So also there is high tickets webinars. The ClickFunnels conducts webinars several times, so you can promote them and you can earn commission also. So how to promote all of these offers? Yeah, by creating your thanks page, for creating just a short video, and then what that offers. Also, you can recommend them on your YouTube video. This down the description. Also, you can email your list from time to time to test the free trial. Also, to get their free copy. You can recommend. You can promote them through Instagram stories, FB Live, resource page on your blog, and share the funnel. You can create the funnels and share to the people for free. And once they like it and join ClickFunnels, you earn commission. So here, mathematics, how to earn a six-figure income per year with the ClickFunnels. Let's say you promote to 100 people, and 100 people sign up for free trial, and instead of $38.8, let's say let's approximate is $40 per person. So you earn about $4,000 per month, but plus a recurring profit, and plus $500 car bonus. Yeah, ClickFunnels has a car bonus once you reach 100 people. Every month you get extra commission, $500 as a car bonus. Let's say you 200 people sign for you, and then times $40 is about 8,000 per month. Plus a recurring profit, and because there are 200 people, you earn $1,000 for car bonus. So obviously it is about 100K. So this is how you can create 100K per year recurring passive income. That is recurring. Remember that this is recurring passive income. Yeah, it's possible, guys. What you have to do is just to be persistent. Be persistent and focus with one thing. You can make money with the ClickFunnels. As I told you before, ClickFunnels is the number one affiliate marketing program. Yeah, good thing is that down in my description I put the link, number one recommended done for you system, which will help you to start your business with to start your affiliate marketing business with the ClickFunnels and make money as fast as you can. This system will help many people, and I hope that will help you too. So done for you system, yeah, because many people, they just start this business with no any ideas how to start, but this system help you to start because everything, there are a lot of things they have already done. So just click that link and you go ahead and you see what is inside there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Ciao.